Rice water possesses many benefits for your health. It's loaded with nutrients that make it an effective remedy for stomach problems. Today's video will discuss 3 health and beauty uses for rice water. Rice is one of the most consumed foods around the world due to both its flavor as well as its nutrition. How do you make rice water? Some people might think that rice water is the liquid left over after soaking the rice before cooking. While this may work, the best way to get rice water is by boiling the rice in plenty of water. Ingredients: 1/2 cup white rice, 4 cup waters. Directions: 1. Bring 4 cups of water to boil in a large saucepan. 2. Once boiling, add the rice and let boil over low heat for 20 minutes. 3. Remove from heat and strain contents through a colander, reserving the liquid in a glass container. 4. Keep in the refrigerator to use over the course of a few days. What are some of the uses and benefits of rice water? 1. Natural conditioner for strong, shiny, healthy hair. Use this liquid in place of conventional conditioners. Directions: wet the hair with plenty of rice water and let work for a few minutes before rinsing with warm water. You can use this remedy up to 3 times a week. 2. Skin toner. The compounds in rice water reduce the size of pores, remove dead skin cells and improve the action of products designed to block harmful UV rays. These properties make it one of the best substitutes for commercial skin toners. Directions: wet a cotton ball with the rice water, apply to a clean face and let dry. Go to bed with the product still on your skin for it to work as you sleep. Repeat application every day. 3. Acne treatment. The anti-inflammatory and astringent properties of this product reduce and prevent pimples. Directions: apply directly to blackheads and pimples with a cotton ball. Use twice daily, every day. Have you ever used rice water for your beauty? Let me know in our comment section below.